my channel. My name is Prarthana Banerjee and I did it. So during the quarantine period, very quickly I lost the motivation to work out and I started becoming my lethargic self and I started going off the track, and that gave me a lot of fat all over, especially the belly fat. And then I came across Chloe Ting. So if you don't know already, Chloe Ting is this fitness enthusiast who has amazing programs which are free on her website, and her ab workout challenge videos were all over the internet. It was all over my YouTube feed, and very soon I started binge watching her video because Chloe, if you end up watching this, let me just tell you that you are so cute. So I started binge watching her video, and very soon I realized and I promised myself that I really want to give her ab workout challenge a try, to try it out for myself and see if it really works. So I completed the ab workout challenge and I cannot wait to show you guys the results. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? So as you guys can see that I legit had a muffin top, and the whole staying at home situation gave me a lot of belly fat, and automatically that led to quite some weight gain. I gained quite a few kilos and I could not wait to lose all of that. While I was binge watching the video, it did not look so difficult, but I got my lessons on the day one itself. I started off with a lot of motivation, but soon I regretted doing that. I was not even sure if I'll be able to complete it, and Chloe clearly was not just cute to me anymore. Not like I'm a very inactive person, and today was just the day one. I could not complete half the exercises, but fingers crossed. I hope I can do it for the next 14 days because I really want to complete this transformation exercise. So let's see how this goes. Well, I anyway pushed myself for day 2, and I know my postures were not right, but I was just starting off, and with all of that muscle cramp, it just got worse. My day 2 was worse than my day 1. Already, but I'm keeping on doing it even if it is low intensity. I'm making sure that I'm not giving up. Okay guys, so this is day 4. I'm on my way to office and I did not work out in the morning, so that means that I have to work out in the evening or at night, and I don't know how I'll do that, but I have to do that, so let's do this. Workout, but guess what? I actually feel better after doing this. I really started enjoying my workout routine from day 5 because my posture got better, the muscle cramps were better, and I could feel the burn, but it was not painful anymore. I legit started enjoying it. I started feeling more energetic, and I could see that exercise working out for me. Guys, we're finally done with 7 days. 7 more days to go. We got this. even expect that I'll make it to this day. I'm finally done with the 14th day workout. I cannot wait to see the results and show you guys what the results look like. That's the result, guys. Obviously the abs are not very prominent, but you can see some lines, and I lost a lot of belly fat, almost all of it, and I have to keep working out to maintain that and to make it better. But yeah, I am so happy. Plus I lost more than 2 kgs, and that was so crazy. So that was for my 14 days ab workout journey. It was really difficult, I have to admit, but let me tell you guys that if you decide to give it a try, because with time I promise it gets easier. I am not sure if this is the leanest I have been, but I can promise that this is the fittest I have been. My core strength has increased, my overall strength has increased, and with time you will feel that burn, but it will not tire you out. You'll start feeling more energetic. This workout is really effective, and it really will help you out with your mood as well. You'll start feeling more uplifted and motivated, and you will definitely say your lethargic self a goodbye. And if you're wondering that what I used to eat, I did not make much changes in my diet because I anyway don't eat a lot of junk food. I definitely did completely stick to home cooked food. And that included, in the morning I would either have my bowl of banana oat smoothie, or I'll have a bowl of overnight oats or oats pancakes. They are my favorite, and I would usually avoid any kind of sweet things. Refined sugar, a big no completely. During the lunch I would include a lot of nutrition in that. I would have either one flat bread, whole wheat flat bread, or a very little amount of rice, because I would keep the carbohydrates less, and I would add a lot of vegetables and lentils into my palate. And during the night time I would include a big source of protein such as chicken, mostly chicken, baked chicken with a lot of garlic and spices. That is healthy, but it is so good. And to satiate my sweet cravings, because again I love sweet, so to satiate my sweet cravings I would stick to fruits. I am a fruit princess. If you follow me on Instagram you would know that already. So I would keep it healthy but completely nutritious. I did not starve myself. And trust me, this workout is so good, it is so energetic that you do not really have to go on a very difficult diet routine altogether. It will still work. Just eat clean and say goodbye to refined sugar and junk food in general. This will work out for you. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I really hope that you could see the live results, because I could totally see it. I love it. I own it right now. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And give this video a big thumbs up. And I am planning to actually continue doing this. In fact, I'm planning to take up her hourglass challenge, hourglass figure challenge, which is of 1 month. So maybe I'll take that up as well. And just give it a try, guys. It really works. It is super good. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.